Hi, so we're back at Lidl for Sunday's plant drop. So they've got some plants out for Sunday. So let's go and take a look at what we've got. So first off the shelf is pelargonians, 6-pack or upright geraniums. These are selling at $4.99. Vibrant pinks, reds, and lots of other different colours. Then we've got our English lavender pots. These are ideal for attracting bees and butterflies. These are $3.49 a pot. They do require full sun and regular watering. Just coming out soon. We've got trays of impatiens. They're looking a bit worse for wear now. Could do with a bit of a water. So $1.99 for a tray. Then we're on the dwarf fruit trees. So you can choose from a variety of apple, pear, plum and cherries. And these are selling at $11.99, which is pretty good for a dwarf fruit tree. They're coming out nice now, looking well healthy. So the next trolley, we've got some more geraniums, trailing and uprights, pinks, $4.99, reds, one of their favourite sellers, I guess. They have lots of pelargonians, lots of geraniums, and there's a random fuchsia in the middle. So, checking them out. Some nice colours. Then we go on to the next shelf. More fuchsias. These are my favourite. Absolutely love fuchsias. $4.99. Pinks, purples. And then we got some geraniums. $2.49 a pot. More fuchsias, just flowering now, lovely, lovely, lovely. And then another whole stack of fuchsias. So we've got uprights, we've got pinks and purples, uprights, pink and whites are trailing, and also red and whites, which is an upright. Loads of lovely colour. Those buds are bursting. So they're $4.99 a tray. And there's lots of those to choose from. I'm sure I'm going to be stocking up with a few of those. Trailing ones for hanging baskets. And then we've got Thunbergia, or Black-Eyed Susan. We've had many people asking about these, when they're going to be back on the shelf. And these are $2.99. And these are looking good. There's various colours. There's a dark red, there's a peach colour, and the yellow colour. And these are a real popular seller, really popular. And there's a video of them putting one of those in my Lidl basket. So check that out. And then at the end is banana plant, $9.99. They look really nice. Would love one of those, but the cats would eat it, so we're not allowed them in the house. And then we've still got some dahlia, some bulbs. So let me know in the comments, what's your choice for this week? Black-Eyed Susan, impatiens, geraniums, or the fruit trees? Let me know in the comments. Please subscribe, and I'm going to buy some of these fuchsias. Cheers!